Today, we gather to address one of the most pressing challenges facing our world, food security and hunger. Despite living in an age of technological advancement and global connectivity, over 800 million people still go to the bed hungry each night. This stark reality reminds us that food isn't just a basic necessity, but a fundamental of human right that many are still denied. Food security means ensuring that all the people at all times have access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food. It's not just about feeding the world, but empowering communities with sustainable systems that support local agriculture, reduce food waste, and also build a resilience against climate change. We must tackle the root causes of hunger, poverty, inequality, conflict, and environmental degradation. Only through collective action, innovative solution, and compassionate leadership, we can create a world where no one is left hunger and everyone thrives. Together, we can ensure that the abundance of our planet is shared fairly and that food security becomes reality for all. That's all about for today. Thanks for your patience. Hello everyone, this is Mirajur Rahman from Learning Zone. So আমরা সবাই তো ইংরেজি শিখতে চাই, তো ইংরেজি শেখা এটাকে ভিতর থেকে উপলব্ধি করা এবং সেটাকে প্রেজেন্টেবল ভাবে উপস্থাপনা করা এবং প্রেজেন্ট করাতে লার্নিং জোন হচ্ছে ইউনিক।
লার্নিং জোন, আস্থা রাখুন, গড়ে তোলার দায়িত্ব আমাদের।